welcome to another video. I'm just dropping in real fast in this one because this video has been kind of a process. It's been a few years in the making, and I didn't really make much of an intro. I did, but it was for an earlier video of the exhaust in its early stages, and definitely not what it sounds like now. So to just first start off, this video, the audio off of it, it's not going to do it justice. The car sounds completely different in real life versus over a camera, microphone or any of that. My goal was to try and use some external microphones and use that audio, but it was going to be too hard, and at the time I didn't have the money to be able to get a good microphone that would be able to withstand being outside of a car, but also one that was good quality to be able to give you a good sound of what the car sounds like. But like I said, this video is just kind of going through the stages of it and where it finally sits, and I'm just throwing a bunch of random sound clips of what it sounds like. I'm in a suit right now because I'm at work, and I've been trying to actually make this video, and I needed to come and grab something from my car, and I was like, hey, why not? Might as well do it now. But again, it goes through the stages of, I don't have a stock sound in here, but there's plenty of stock sounds that you can find all over the internet of what it would sound like before and after somebody else did something. But it goes through the stages of when I put the Flowmasters on the car with the X-Pipe still on it, or the resonator still on, to changing it over to the MBRP Axleback, and the removing the resonator to the X-Pipe, and then putting the Downpipes on, and then some clips in there of it on E85, on 91, different poles and stuff. But yeah, like I said, this video is just kind of showing the progress of it. It's not really, a before and after, although it kind of is, but not what you guys think it's gonna be. But I hope you guys get some information on it, and I'll try and put as much info within the video so you guys can see that. But yeah, this video is pretty old, so it's gonna go through, when I first got the car up until kind of recently. So yeah, so here's past me. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. It's a very early morning, and today's the day we get these guys switched out. Now, it's pretty bad down there. I'm not gonna get into details in terms of what happened. I mean, once the everything is done, then I will try and get into more details. But today's the day. About to go drop off the car, but kind of wanted to do a couple things in terms of doing a cold start, the before and after, all that good stuff. We are going with an MBRP Axleback, and we are installing an X-Pipe into this, so very excited to try and actually get this finished up. I've been trying to do it for quite some time now, and I'm finally able to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do some clips. All right, we didn't get a chance to do a whole lot yesterday, but the exhaust is finished and it looks amazing. The guys over at Ed Hansen's muffler is absolutely fantastic. They're a little dirty. I need to give them a little cleanup, but they just look fantastic. I mean, the work that they did was just insane. I don't know if you can see it. I'll throw up a couple photos, but They just did a fantastic job. They were just awesome. If you ever need some repair work in the Southern California area, definitely go to them. I'm here at my work. We're here at, oh, where's it gonna show it? Yep, it's gonna be backwards, sorry, I'm using my cell phone. But we're here at JBA Speed Shop, and we're gonna get the downpipes ready to be put on. So we're actually gonna do something a little bit different, and instead of leaving them on, because I don't have the tune yet, but the goal is to have them swappable. So one of the guys here, he's actually moving, and we've talked about it for a few months already, and he kind of has an idea what he wants to do. And because he's moving, I wanted to make sure he took care of it before anybody else did, because then I feel like it'd be another talk of what we needed to do. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna get the car onto the lift inside the shop, and yeah, we'll get a kind of an idea of what he wants to do, and then hopefully we're able to do it. He said it might take an hour. I feel like it might take more, but we'll see. We'll see what we can get done, and we'll go from there. This is the guy here, did all the work, but so got them in. You can see looking really good. I'm gonna start it on. We're gonna start it up in a little bit, but yeah, it looks like we're not gonna be able to do a SS dyno pull or SS intake pull first, because this guy's moving, so I didn't want anybody else touching it, so I figured, why not? Let's do it. But yeah, we're gonna get a code, but it's fine. I'm getting the tune tonight, but we'll see what it sounds like. Wow!
So it is a little louder.
It's a little louder, just a little bit. Holy crap, wow.
It sounds pretty cool.
It sounded great. That's it. You know, that's I know I don't have any actual driving like drive-by, or like I know there's a couple in-car stuff that may not sound amazing, but one, I don't have a suction cup that is good enough to go outside of the car without, you know, losing my my GoPro, or, you know, having the chance of it falling off and getting run over by somebody or somewhere. And plus, since I live in the city, there's not really a lot of places that I can do you know, some good pulls without, you know, either running into traffic or you know, getting in trouble from somebody, either cops or people. But I do plan on doing that. I do have some like videos and stuff of the car driving by, although it's in between either having the downpipes or the manifold and throttle body, or the intake and stuff. So again, I do apologize for not having everything in here. Now I do plan on doing some drive-by videos, having the GoPro outside and doing a little bit more, but you know, it's a little bit tough, and if I keep waiting, this video will never come out. So Yeah, but that being said, thank you guys for watching. I mean, that's really much it, pretty much it. I try to get as much information as I could so that way you guys could hear the car in its full evolution onto where it is now. And right now it's, you know, like that last clip, it's on the, you know, from front to back, you know, all the mods, you know, full bolt-on. It's the Cold Air Inductions Intake, to the 80mm throttle body, to the ported manifold, to the American Racing Headers Downpipes, to that unknown, I forgot the name of the brand of the X-Pipe, to the MBRP Axleback that is for SS. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below on, does it sound good? I think it sounds good. I get all the time that it sounds like an SS. I mean, I don't know how, but it just could be I got lucky on the mods. So, but let me know what you guys think. Feel free to, you know, ask any questions, or if you guys need some help with anything, please just follow me on all the socials. I'm on Facebook in the V6 group. I'm on Instagram, you know, Rccamaro. I do have a TikTok now, just because I wanted to save the name, but apparently it's actually really working as far as getting more people to ask about the car and trying to help them out as well. So everything's, you know, down below, so go ahead and give me a follow. But again, I can't, you know, thank you guys enough for watching. We're over 335 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. There's gonna be more videos coming, and I'm gonna do my best to get more stuff out there. So again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Yeah, feel free to ask me any questions, but you know, until then guys, thank you guys again, and I'm gonna keep repeating it just because I'm super grateful. But until next time guys, we'll see you on the next one.